Guys, we're going to show you the biggest airplanes. My brother is going to grab these. First airplane.
Okay, it's this one, the smallest one. You can see it.
Let's throw from here. Throw it.
Come here.
Oh my god, reach there. Oh my god, do you see it?
Yes, I see.
It's very hard. You need to get up there.
Look it. Now, if you want to sit it on the car. Okay.
Okay, next airplane. Oh my
This one
god.
is the second one. This one there.
See how big it is to my hand.
Yes, it's so big.
Come here.
So.
Throw it.
Okay.
Not good.
Okay.
It's okay.
Now, the third one.
Look, this to my hand. My hand is naughty.
Okay. This is it.
What do you say?
There's the bigger one than this one. Let's
Oh
throw
my
it.
god. Let's see the throw. Ooh, there.
Oh my god. So big. Like Ben. Now the biggest
One.
leg.
Look how big it is.
It's like, to me, look at how much this is.
It's like the size of my brother. He's like something with 3 foot.
Let's throw it. It's so good. Doesn't get life good because it's too heavy.
Make it straight.
What?
Make it straight.
Okay.
You see the throw. This is so big.
Ooh, it's too big. Don't have that.
Next airplane. This airplane. This ring plane. Okay.
Go. Throw it, throw it.
Throw it straight.
Okay.
Oh my god. Let me throw it.
Okay.
Okay. I know how to throw it. That was the wrong bad throw. Last time. Okay. Okay, now this is the bigger wing plane. At least a world record big plane. This is a world record. Biggest wing plane. Not, let me throw it again. It's not heavy. Yes, it's
I
small.
love the much this one.
Look how
I love
big it is.
this one the more.
Ooh, it is bad, but it is the world record.
And this is my mate.
Oh, my.
And this is Celebrity.
And he's also.
We had it first and he died because he was died
How?
in one of the seasons.